Okay, so this is Unit 1A, Day 3, Segment Addition and Angle Addition Postulates. So, first one says segment addition postulate. If A, B, and C are collinear, meaning on the same line, and B is between A and C, then, here's our rule, AB plus BC equals AC. Now what does that mean? Okay, when looking at this segment, that means the first part, B is in between A and C on this segment. The first part from A to B, if we add the length there plus the length of B to C, we will get the entire length all the way from A to C. So a part plus a part equals the entire whole. First example, number 1. If EG is 71, so from here all the way to here is 71, find the value of X. Okay, so what I need to do here is I need to set it up like we did up here. So the first section, EF, plus the second section, FG, equals the entire segment, EG. Now plug in, I know that EF, from E to F, that's 8X minus 17. I know from F to G, that's a positive 5X minus 3. And I know from E to G, that's total length of 71. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve for X. So combining my like terms on the left side, 8X plus 5X, 8 plus 5 is 13, I have 30 X's. Then I have negative 17 minus 3. Negative 17 minus 3 is negative 20, equals 71. I need to get X alone, so I'm going to add 20 on both sides. So we'll get 13X on the left. Adding 20 to 71 gives me 91. Need to get X alone, so 13 and X are being multiplied. I undo that with division. So divide this side by 13, I get X. 91 divided by 13 is 7. I was asked to find the value of X. So this is my final answer. Number 2. I'm given that if TV, so from T all the way to V, is 14X minus 8, find TU. So this time, once I find X, I'm going to have to plug it back in to find TU's length. So I have T to U, this part, plus the second part, U to V, equals the entire segment, TV. Okay, so plug in what we know for TU. TU is 9X plus 2. UV is 5, so plus 5, equals TV, 14X minus 8. Simplifying on the left side, I have 9X, 2 plus 5 is 7, equals 14X minus 8. I always like to move my smaller variable coefficient here, so the 9 is smaller than 14. So I'm going to subtract 9X on both sides, so 7 equals 14 minus 9 is 5. X, drop 8, or minus 8. Add 8 to both sides. 15. Divide both sides by 5, so X equals 3. Now, that wasn't really what I needed. What I needed is I need to find TU. So I'm going to use that to find TU. Here's TU, so I'm going to plug in 9 times X. Well, I just found out that X is 3. Plus 2. So TU equals 9 times 3 is 27, plus 2 is 29. Number 3, if JL equals 5X plus 2, so all the way from J to L, so the entire segment is 5X plus 2, find JL. So I have JK plus from K to L equals JL. I do encourage you to write this step every time. One, it helps you see where you're plugging in, and two, when we get to proofs, later on in this unit, it'll be second nature, so it won't be something that you have to sit there and think about. And it won't be a step that you forget once we get to day 8 in our notes. So JK is 27. KL is positive 3x minus 1. This all equals 5x plus 2. Combine your like terms. So 27 minus 1 is 26 plus 3x equals 5x plus 2. Move our 3x to the right. We do that through subtraction. So we have 26 equals 5x minus 3x is x. Drop down the plus 2. Subtract both sides to get this 2 to the left. So on the right is 2x. On the left, 26 minus 2 is 24. Divide both sides by 2, so x equals 12. Ultimately, I needed to find out what JL is. So JL is represented by 5x plus 2. Instead of x, we're going to be plugging in 12. 5 times 12 is 60, plus 2 is 62, so JL is 62. Number 4. Find the value of x. If CE is 7x plus 4, and we have these two other segments, now we can go ahead and find x. So CD plus DE equals the entire segment, CE. CD is x plus 3, plus DE is 8x minus 9. That all equals 7x plus 4. Combining my like terms, x plus 8x is 9x. 3 minus 9 is negative 6 equals 7x plus 4. Move this 7x to the left through subtraction, so 9 minus 7 is 2x. Drop down your minus 6 equals 4. You could move the 6 in the same step if you wanted to. So let's add 6 on both sides, so 2x equals 10. Divide both sides by 2, so x equals 5. That was my final answer, what I was looking for. Number 5. It says if SK is 13x minus 5, KY is 2x plus 9, and SY is 36 minus x. Find each value. So we have SK plus KY equals SY. SK, the first segment, is 13x minus 5 plus KY, the second small part, is 2x plus 9 equals the entire segment represented by 36 minus x. Let's combine our like terms. 13x plus 2x is 15x. Negative 5 plus 9 is a positive 4 equals 36 minus x. Add this to both sides out on the right. I have 15x plus 1x, so 16x plus 4. Subtract 4 on both sides, so 16x equals 36 minus 4 is 32. Divide both sides by 16, so x equals 2. So that's what goes over here. X is 2. SK, so that's 13 times 2 minus 5. So we should get 21. KY, that's 2 times 2 plus 9. Should get 13. Now SY, I can add up 21 and 13 and get 34. Or I can double check. 36 minus 2, plugging in 2 for x. Yep, that's 34. That's another way to find your answer. Next section, it says points A, B, and C are collinear, meaning they're on the same line. Point B is between A and C. Find the length indicated. So what we're saying here is, here's a segment. We got A and C. We don't know where B is, but consider B somewhere in between them. It does not have to be in the exact middle. So on this first one, we are finding BC. If A to B is that, B to C is that, and A to C is that. Draw a visual. There we go. So we set it up just like we set all these up. A, B, first segment, plus BC, the second segment, equals A to C, the third segment. Plug and chug. We have 2x plus 5 plus BC, so 9 plus x, equals AC, 14. Combine your like terms. 2x plus x is 3x. 5 plus 9 is 14, equals 14. Subtract this 14 on both sides. 3x drops down. 14 minus 14 is 0, equals 14 minus 14 is 0. Divide both sides by 3. So x equals 0 divided by anything is 0. Ultimately, BC is 9 plus x. So 9 plus 9 plus 0. That length is 9. 7. Again, same situation. So I have AB plus BC equals AC. If AB is x plus 1, BC, notice they went out of order. So BC is here. That's x minus 10. That all equals AC, which is 13. So just pay attention as you're plugging in. Got x plus x, so I have 2x. 1 minus 10, so negative 9, equals 13. Add 9 to both sides, so 2x equals 13 plus 9 is 22. Divide both sides by 2, so x equals 11. Ultimately, I was asked to find BC, so I'm not done yet. BC is x minus 10, so 11 minus 10. So BC's length is 1. When you're ready, flip it over. Addition, angle addition postulate. So if D is on the interior of angle ABC, so here, D is on the interior, meaning in the middle, it's cutting the entire whole angle into two pieces. Then again, we have the small part plus the other part is equal to the entire part added together. So what does that look like? Angle ABD plus angle DBC equals angle ABC. Again, let's look it over here. So angle ABD, that's from here, ABD, that's that angle. Plus this angle, that angle is DBC. That's equal to the entire angle, angle ABC. Let's put that into practice algebraically. Number 8, if this little m means measurement, if the measurement angle PQR, so PQR, we're talking about the entire thing. If that measured out to 141 degrees, find each measure. So again, like we did on the other side, we're going to be writing these out. A lot of letters, but you can do it. So angle PQS plus, so this angle SQR is equal to angle PQR. Plug in what we know. PQS is 13x plus 4. SQR is 10x minus 1. PQR is 141. Combine your like terms on the left side. 13x plus 10x is 23x. 4 minus 1 is positive 3. Set equal to 141. Subtract 3 on both sides. 23x equals 141 minus 3 is 138. Divide both sides by 23, so x equals 6. Now I want to figure out what PQS is. So PQS, so I have 13 times x, which is 6, plus 4. Let's get that on the screen. So 13 times 6 plus 4, that gives us 82. And we're talking about degrees. The next one, SQR, that's 10 times x, which is 6, minus 1. So 60 minus 1 is 59. Again, degrees. Number 9. If measurement of angle DEF, so the whole thing, is 7x plus 4. And measurement of angle DEG, so this one here, that's 5x plus 1. And measurement of GEF is 23. Find each measure. All right, so let's plug it away. So we have angle DEG plus angle GEF is equal to angle DEF. Plugging in, no, x1 plus 23 equals 7x plus 4. Combine your like terms. The 5x plus 24. Remember, go left to right. Don't do inverses on the same side. Equals 7x plus 4. Subtract 5x on both sides. 4 equals 7 minus 5 is 2x. Subtract 4 on both sides, so 20 equals 2x. Divide by 2 on both sides, so x equals 10. Plug that in there. To find DEG, I'm doing 5 times 10 plus 1. So this is 51 degrees. DEF. So this is asking me for the entire angle. So I have 7 times 10 plus 4. So 74 degrees. Oops. Good thing you're using pencil. 74 degrees. Number 10. If angle DEF is a straight angle, so DEF. So basically it's saying that this is a straight line, which means all the way around it here is 180 degrees. Measurement of angle DEG is 23x minus 3, and GEF is 12x plus 8. Find each measure. So I have angle DEG plus angle GEF equals angle DEF. I really do encourage you to pause as we're going over these and try to figure it out yourself and then check your work with the video. So plug it in. 23x minus 3 plus 12x plus 8 equals 180 degrees. Combine your like terms. 23x plus 12x is 35x. Negative 3 plus 8 is positive 5 equals 180. Subtract 5 on both sides. 35x equals 175. Divide both sides by 35. X equals 5. Well, which one do we know right away? We know that it's 180 degrees. DEF. To find DEG, I do 23 times 5 minus 3. So we got 115 minus 3, which is 112. I could find this missing angle by saying 180 minus 112 and get 68. Or I could say 12 times 5, which is 60, plus 8. So then we should get 68. Don't forget your degree sign. Last one in these notes, we have if measurement of angle TUW TUW, this piece here, is 5x plus 3. The measured angle WUV is 10x minus 5. And TUV, the entire thing, is 17x minus 16. Find each measure. Pause, try it on your own, and then watch the video to check your work. Got angle TUW plus angle WUV equals angle TUV. Plugging in what we know, we got 5x plus 3 plus 10x minus 5 equals 17x minus 16. 5x plus 10x is 15x. 3 minus 5 is negative 2 equals 17x minus 16. Subtract 15x on both sides. If you need to show all the steps, show them all. So on the left, those cancel, so I have negative 2 equals 17 minus 15 is 2x, drop down minus 16. Trying to get x alone, so add 16 on both sides. Negative 2 plus 16 is 14 equals 2x, drops down. These 16s cancel. One more step to get x alone, divide both sides by 2. So x equals 7. Plugging it in. TUW, that is 5 times 7 plus 3. So 35 plus 3 is 38 degrees. Then the next one, WUV, so 10 times 7 minus 5. So 70 minus 5 is 65. Then I can find TUV by adding those together to get 103. Or I can say 17 times 7 minus 16. Should get me there as well. If you have any questions, try to re-watch that section, and if you have a question, please contact me.